there's the lake behind me. There it is. So I think I've got to go right now, and I've gone left. There's that little lake, I can't remember the name of it, I'll put it on the screen. There's some waterfalls over there as well. Oh, this is good. This is good. Oh yes. Oh yes. And then, just to top it off from this view, Lake Coniston again. Oh, jeez, I love it. Absolutely love it. Welcome to Lever's Water. Can't swim in there, by the way. It's actually a lot deeper last time I was here in 2021. It was up to, I was past these, I think it was up by the rocks. Yeah, so it's lost a bit of water somewhere. It's a shame, still as beautiful as ever though. Stunning. So, stop for lunch. Or 10 to 15 minutes anyway. Time out bar. And then we're heading over in that direction, around the lake, and then up. And then round to the left. So along, I think you can see there's some people over there. A couple of walkers over there. That's where I'm heading. And then you go left up, which looks to be fun, but at the moment it's lovely and quiet, just chillaxing. Did I just say chillaxing? Fuck's sake. Right, we are, well me, there's a couple of people in front of me actually. So we've left Lever's Lake just there and walked all the way along that pathway there. You can just about see it. It's quite stony, quite rocky, quite loose. And then we head towards that way when we go up the path, up there. So you can see another couple. And all the way up there, and around to the left. It's about a mile to Old Man of Coniston, and I think I summit Brimfell as well, which I've never done before, which I'm going to be pleased about. That's another one off the list. Yeah, and it's definitely got colder and windier. Actually, I've got my jacket on, but all good, as they say. All good, all good. Right, 3 Mile Point, just over. Ooh, so there's a mixture of easy going and tough going on this one. As I said, I got the link the route in the description. Feel free to use it. That's the view so far from, we got come from all the way over there where that, you see one of the Rangers vans is on. And then we go all the way up that way. There's a couple in front of me. Yeah, so we go around to the left there. I think it flattens out a little bit, which is not too bad. It's still going straight up. But all in all, good day. Right, about another 400 foot to the top, and then we bear left. This is a lot worse than that Cribben one, I can tell you that. Lethal. Well, we've made it to the top. It's a lot windier than what it was obviously halfway up that screedy bit, but made it. I don't know the name of it, it's not on the map. I'll try and find it and I'll put it below in the description. But that's hard. I wouldn't advise it going down. A couple asked me, is it best to go down? I said, do you know what? No, because it's quite loose going up. At least you can scramble on the way up. On the way down it might be a little bit hairy. But we're about a mile or so from Old Man of Coniston and just up there for Brimfell, which I'm really pleased about. as I said, I've never done it before. So, yeah, and the views from here even are just incredible. Last 50 foot till we hit Brunfell, I suppose. Never been to this one. Oh, brutal. That was coming up there. Absolute brutal. Here we go. That's it. Views from Brunfell. Well, there she is. Well, there he is. The Old Man of Coniston. Flew over. Whew. Wow. A couple more miles to do, I reckon. Look at that view. Almost done. Back down to the village. That's the route there. So, ooh, yeah, tough one today. That was tough, but downhill, I don't know, sometimes downhill for me is worse than it is going up. But as I said, a couple of miles and we'll be there. Nice pint, I deserve it. Well, getting closer to that car park that we're aiming for, and then walking down the road to the village, then down the hill. It's actually quite steep, that hill. This path I did years and years ago, and I didn't realise until I started coming down to this bit. Yeah, it's quite a tough path on the way down. On the way up, it'd be quite nice, I would imagine, but I remember last time I come down this one as well, and it was tough. And it just takes you down by takes you by the slate line again, the other side of it. So, there used to be a huge hole as well. But yeah, village, car park, village, I reckon 2 miles, give or take. Just make sure that pint's nice and cold. Crikey, Slatesville. View. Please tell me that's an ice cream van that takes card, not cash only. Please, please. Quick, is he open? There's just part there, I'm gonna crack. Yes, please. It was an ice cream man. Get him. About half a mile ago, I reckon. Maybe a bit longer. He's got parked in the Warner Scar car park. I'll put a link. He sells cokes and bits and bobs. Oh, much needed. Mm-hmm. We got about a mile to go. I'm there. Back for the gate. Down now. New blinking zebra in the field. Hey, zebra.